Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 535. The number 535 is a combination of the qualities and vibrations of the number 5 and the number 3. The number 5 shows up twice, which makes its effects stronger. Number 5 speaks to the need for personal freedom, for learning from life and making big changes, for making good choices and decisions, for getting lucky new chances, for being flexible and resourceful, for being active and making progress. Number 5 tells us to be who we really are and live our lives that way. Number 3 is about optimism and joy, self-expression and communication, imagination and intelligence, energy, growth and expansion, and the principles of growth, spontaneity, encouragement and help, and natural talents and skills. The Ascended Masters also have the number 3. Angel number 535 is a message from your angels and the Ascended Masters that they fully support the choices you've made in your life and want you to make the changes that will bring you good luck. Know that they will show you how to do things step by step. Angel number 535 means that the angels are giving you divine guidance about the changes in your life that are coming up. Know that these changes will help you in the long run and are in line with your soul mission and divine life purpose. Angel number 535 wants you to trust that the choices and decisions you have made are the right ones for you. Even in the best situations, you have to make changes as you go along. But you can trust that the angels are always with you and will gently guide you along the way. Use your natural skills and talents to the fullest and make sure you do it in a way that shows who you really are. Use your communication and creative skills and keep an open mind and heart about the changes in your life. Trust that your highest hopes and wishes may come true. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.